If you thought budget-friendly phones couldn't deliver flagship-level power, think again. Meet the iQOO Z10, a performance beast with a sleek design, massive battery, and top-tier features that redefine what a mid-range phone can do. Whether you're a mobile gamer, power user, or just someone looking for a solid all-rounder, the iQOO Z10 might just be your next favorite device. Let's dive into the full specs and features that make this phone stand out in 2025. Starting off with the display, the iQOO Z10 features a 6.77-inch AMOLED panel with FHD+ resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. That means buttery-smooth animations, ultra-responsive scrolling, and fluid gaming visuals. But what really sets this panel apart is its peak brightness of 5000 nits. That's brighter than most flagship phones. Whether you're outdoors under direct sunlight or watching HDR content indoors, the visuals are crisp, punchy, and vivid. The display also supports high touch sampling rates, making it an excellent choice for gamers who need fast response times. Under the hood, the iQOO Z10 is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset. This processor is built to offer the perfect balance between power and efficiency, making it ideal for users who want smooth day-to-day performance and solid gaming without spending flagship-level money. Combined with up to 12 GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze, whether you're switching between apps, editing videos, or playing graphic-intensive games like PUBG, Genshin Impact, or Free Fire. And yes, there's also virtual RAM expansion for an extra boost when needed. Now let's talk about the camera. The iQOO Z10 offers a dual camera setup on the rear, featuring a 50MP Sony IMX882 primary sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization. This helps reduce blur in photos and ensures smooth, shake-free videos, especially in low-light conditions. A 2MP depth sensor that improves portrait photography with better edge detection and natural bokeh effects. The phone supports up to 4K video recording, AI scene optimization, night mode, and beauty filters. For selfies, there's a capable 16MP front camera, perfect for video calls and social media-ready photos. Power won't be a problem with the iQOO Z10. It packs a massive 7,300 mAh battery, one of the largest in its class, meaning this phone is ready to go the distance. Whether you're binge watching, gaming for hours, or multitasking throughout the day, you'll still have juice left by bedtime. And when you do need a recharge, 90W fast charging kicks in to get you back to full in under an hour. There's also reverse wired charging, so you can even top up your earbuds or another phone on the go, like a power bank in your pocket. Despite its huge battery, the iQOO Z10 maintains a slim and lightweight profile, making it comfortable to hold and carry. The curved edges and sleek back panel design give it a premium feel, while IP65 water and dust resistance adds durability, protecting the phone from everyday splashes and dust exposure. It's available in a few eye-catching colors, appealing to both performance-focused users and style-conscious buyers. Out of the box, the Z10 runs on Android 15, paired with FunTouch OS 15. The interface is clean, fast, and feature-packed, with customizable icons, smart features like app cloning, game boosters, smart sidebar, and improved privacy settings. You'll also get multiple years of software and security updates, keeping your phone secure and up to date with the latest Android features. When it comes to storage, the iQOO Z10 offers configurations of up to 256 GB of internal storage, more than enough for all your apps, games, photos, and 4K videos. Unfortunately, there's no SD card slot, but with this much internal space, most users won't even miss it. So is the iQOO Z10 worth it? If you're looking for a phone that combines, then yes, the Z10 is a powerhouse that easily competes with more expensive phones in the market. It brings tremendous value and proves once again why iQOO is the king of budget performance. What do you think of the iQOO Z10? Would you consider it over brands like Realme, Poco, or Samsung in this price range? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.